Queensland to see significant, prolonged and widespread heavy rainfall, with 68% of the state currently under flood watch. A band of clouds stretches down the Queensland coast that's led to some rainfall around the Townsville, 1770 and Sunshine Coast areas. We have a secondary band of cloud moving over outback Northern Territory. If we flip to the water vapour, we can see that upper level trough is starting to enter the western reaches of Queensland, and it's this feature that will drive the deepening of a trough and encourage quite a bit of moisture into arid parts of Queensland. So, in anticipation of this, we have issued a severe weather warning for heavy rainfall. Now, this is heavy rainfall of 6 hourly totals between 60 to 100 millimetres, and locally intense rainfall that may lead to life-threatening flash flooding of up to 150 millimetres in parts of very arid Queensland. So having a look at the forecast wind and rain, we can see that trough that's developed in response to that upper level system. With the deepening of that trough, it's going to bring in quite a bit of moisture. The moisture is coming in from areas, this is currently easterly, but we'll see as it turns northeasterly, areas with Papua New Guinea, Solomon Islands and Vanuatu. So Longreach, for example, for tomorrow has a maximum rainfall forecast of 100 millimetres. So during May, it only sees around 23 millimetres, so we could see anywhere from 4 to 5 times the monthly May average in parts of Western Queensland. So as we move forward in time here, we can see that trough is starting to really deepen, and those darker values showing that where the heavier rainfall is starting to fall. Starting to move into Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, really jet black precipitation values starting to develop around the North Tropical Coast, the Burdekin and into the Mackay region. So you don't really see this all that often on these forecast models, so it's just hinting at how much rainfall is to fall. So we move forward into Wednesday, we can see Thursday stretching down on the Central Coast, wet Sundays down to Rockhampton, and then as we move into Friday, possibly getting into southeast Queensland. However, the guidance is a bit divergent at this stage, so we can't say with 100% certainty what the exact scenario will unfold during Friday, but there will be a decent amount of rainfall through southeast Queensland as we move into Friday. So the forecast total rainfall, we can see lots and lots of precipitation in purple there, which is above 100 millimetres through arid parts of central Queensland. And then into Wednesday, those valleys really picking up along the coast there with a trough, and then an additional focus of a low pressure system, which provides another level of focus that could interact with the mountainous areas of the Great Divide. So moving into Friday, we can see that low and trough starts to sink down, and that convergence really starting to move down into the southeast parts of the state. So with this trough and low and the interaction with the Great Divide, we could see isolated totals of up to 500 millimetres through parts of coastal Queensland. The flood watches and warnings, we do have quite a bit of flooding left over from the Anzac Day event through the Lake Eyre Basin system. And if we take away those current flood watches there, we can, flood warnings rather, the flood watches, 1.269 million square million kilometres, or about 68% of the state, is currently under flood watch, and we'll likely see the issuance of further flood watches as we move down, as the system moves down rather into southeast areas of the state. And that's it from the Bureau. Keep up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings on our website, app, social media, and please follow the advice of emergency services.